Hello guys, how are you? Today I will discuss with you about Rangers protocol. So let's start. Virtual words blockchain infrastructure. Ranger protocols can realize a high performance blockchain group with cross chain contract interoperability among the EVM system of multiple blockchains. So this project is backed by different projects, and also there are different partners. There are some features: high security. Ranges protocol uses a consensus system based on the relay chain and smart contract that verifies multiple signatures developed and the public chain to ensure user asset security. This is also bridging. Ranger protocol integrates to the cross chain solution based on the relay chain to solve the problem of assets of migration. Ranger protocol adopts a consensus system based on the relay chain and the smart contract that verifies multiple signature developed on the public chain to ensure security of user assets. So third feature is consensus. Ranges protocol integrates an efficient VRF BLS consensus mechanism to solve the problem of high frequency trading. Ranges protocol produce a block every second. It minimizes to possibility of network congestion and reduce user cost. So another feature will provide NFT protocol. Ranges protocol interpret protocols such as ERC-721 to standardize NFT for digital assets. Ranges protocol further extend its features including lifecycle management, a new data structure up supporting data reuse and data rights management. Real-time responses. Ranger protocol integrates real-time confirmation of transaction to solve interactive problems. Ranges protocol can return the real-time execution result for most transactions without the user having to wait for block to generate. Developer friendly. Ranger protocol support the barrier-free access and free switching of Ethereum dApps. It maximizes developer efficiency in complex application through IDE enhancement. So there are different partners. You can learn more about their roadmap, milestone, target, and also you can check out their team. Also you can buy this token from Uniswap, and also you can buy token from PancakeSwap. As you can see, today total volume is 1.9 million and total liquidity is 4.7 million in BUSD. So this is a very strong project. As you can see, the trading volume is growing day by day. The price was 16 in some before few days, and today is $26.46. As you can buy from also from Uniswap, where you can see total liquidity is $1.2 million and price is going up and $27. You can see the price chart was 18.7 as on 10th October, and today is total high, all-time high was on 29.80 at 13th October, and at 14th October was 28.54, and price is going increase day by day. So you can more learn about the project. Ranger protocol is future-oriented virtual world blockchain infrastructure. It integrates cross-chain NFT, EVM, and distributed network protocol. Professionally supported NFT and complex application. Rangers protocol serve all entrepreneur and pioneers developer allowing them to freely try out content creation, cross-chain operations and application development in the Ranges protocol ecosystem without permission. From the technical point of view, Ranger protocol is divided into two parts: Ranges engine and Ranger connector. Ranger engine is the core part Ranger protocol. It is a high performance chain, the support complex application, and it is highly scalable. It includes the pros based VRF BLS consensus mechanism. The EVM compatible virtual machine RVM, the NFT protocol that can contain historical data of the entire NFT lifecycle. The storage mode responsible for asset and data storage, and the node module responsible for block generation. So you can learn more about the Ranges protocol. So thanks for watching my video.